Hey, what's up, guys? Today we're diving into which version of FL Studio you should buy. Whether you're just starting out in music production or looking to legitimize your setup, this guide's got you covered. First off, you can find links to all the versions in the description below. Now, let's get into it. Head over to the ImageLine website, the creators of FL Studio. It's the safest place to purchase it, and trust me, you don't want to risk it anywhere else. So there are 4 versions: Fruity Edition, Producer Edition, Signature Bundle, and the All Plugins Bundle. Starting with the Fruity Edition, honestly, it's a hard pass. It's stripped down, lacks essential features, and you can't even record audio or use loops. It's a no-go for serious producers. Now onto the Producer Edition. This is the sweet spot for most. It's got everything you need to make music, including audio recording and clip usage. The stock plugins are decent, but it's missing the full version of Gross Beat. No worries, though. You can grab a solid alternative like Halftime for a fraction of the cost. Before we begin to the Signature Bundle, I would like to remind you again that you can find the links for all of these versions in the description below. As for the Signature Bundle and All Plugins Bundle, they're overpriced for what you get. Sure, you get more stock plugins, but let's be real, there are tons of free alternatives out there that are just as good, if not better. In conclusion, stick with the Producer Edition. It's the go-to choice for most producers, including myself. You don't need the extra bells and whistles, and you'll save yourself some cash in the process. So, that wraps it up for today's video. Remember, if you're serious about buying FL Studio, go for the Producer Edition. And hey, I've got more beginner tutorials coming your way, so stay tuned for that. Catch you in the next one.